In this video, I'll show you how to import products from CJ Dropshipping into your WooCommerce store. Let's get straight into it. Currently, we're on CJ Dropshipping and we've got this particular product here in which we want to import into our WooCommerce store. So all we have to do is click on our Chrome extension and we'll go ahead and select WP Fetch AI. We'll select capture this page. We'll scan the page and try to extract all the products information on this page. If we were on a category page, we can select this option where it says select products on this page, and that way we can select multiple products to bulk import onto our website. So here it's fetched this product successfully. So let's go ahead and push it to our WooCommerce store, and that's been imported successfully. To create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to wpfetchai.com. I'll leave a link in the description below, and currently there's a 3-day trial, so you can go ahead and test this out for free. To utilize the Chrome extension, you do need to go for the Plus plan over the basic plan, and I'll show you a quick key difference. So I'll just click edit this product. We've got the product name, product image, we've got the product description, and it's a variable product, so it's imported a variation. It's also imported the category as well. So a lot of these settings is based on how you've configured the WP Fetch AI plugin here, but that's for a different video. Let's go ahead and check this one out. So we can see the product image here. For this variation, we can see the price, and this looks really good. So if we head over to our dashboard here, when we go on WP Fetch AI, here we've got two options. So we can import products based on the product category. And if we paste in the category URL here, they'll try to scan the page and extract. He'll try to scan the page and then it'll give you the option to select which product you want to import, or we can select the products here where we can paste in the individual product URL. For example, this one here with CJ Dropshipping, it heavily regulates the traffic. So before I even access the site, I had to verify whether I was a human. And there's loads of that, so it's quite tricky to extract that product. That's where the Chrome extension comes in. So let's try to extract this product and we'll see the error that we get. And that's because CJ Dropshipping is actually blocking our crawler from accessing the website. That's why we'd use a Chrome extension over directly trying to import it from our WooCommerce store. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you got any questions, leave it in the comment box.